Come with me to check out our new apartment here in West Virginia. This is like our crown jewel. This is like my crown jewel. Look at that. I've always wanted one of these things. The bedroom. There's Raven down there. Hi, Raven. Carmen. She's shy. So this is my husband's office. We'll just leave this room alone. Spare bedroom. No view. Carmen's up on the ledge. You can see her little paw prints. I gotta have a place to put all my junk. Come down the hallway with me. My kitchen, tiny. The stove. Literally, this side works. This side does not. So they have to come out and look at that shit. You think this is a pantry? Voila! It is not. There is no storage in this apartment whatsoever. Raven, where are you going? We got a new couch. We ordered it online. It looked a lot comfier in the picture. But yeah, it's not comfortable at all. But it will do, because I'm not trying to get another shitty ass piece of furniture. Raven sleeps here because she is a baby dog. Front door. Closet. Storage. And you think this is a closet. And voila, it is not. You can't store shit in there. But overall, I do like the apartment. It's bigger because we came from a 1-bedroom. Turn that light off. And now we are in a 3-bedroom. So it is 3-bedroom, 2-bath, sorry. And we came from a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. So this is the 2nd bathroom. It's cute. Carmen. Carmen. What are you doing? She hates it. She hates it. So I'm going to go to the store. Y'all want to come with me? Ma'am, you're not going to the store with me. Excuse me. I just gotta run up to like Sheets. Cause I gotta get my cigarettes and my soda. And that's all. So come along with me. This is our hallway. We live on the 2nd floor. These steps are a killer. Like, it's no joke, dude. Going down is fine, but coming up is a bitch. It's a bitch. West Virginia, take me home. A country road. It's the complex. Small. I already made a friend over there. She like hugged me the other day. I'm like, you obviously don't know me because I'm not a hugger. She said she wanted to give me a necklace. I'm like, okay, thanks. Dude, it is so freaking hot. Okay, AC's on. Ah, spider! Spider! Go away! Go away! Psst, 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 psst. I don't like killing them, for real. I don't like killing them. How did a spider get, like, in my car? I don't know. Oof. So now, yeah, we're West Virginia residents. West Virginia! Woo! I don't know about y'all, but cigarettes and soda are life. Much, much different from where we used to live. I don't know why my camera's acting like this. So weird.